Hello everyone, good news for the Netherlands. We are the first ones that can access the Disney Plus new streaming service. As an exclusive trial, the Netherlands is able to create an account to log in into the new Disney streaming service called Disney Plus, and we can try it out for a number of weeks until November actually. So I created an account myself to take a look how the system looks and yeah, to watch some films and series. This is the main screen of Disney Plus. You'll see it has all the movies and series from Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars, and even National Geographic. And that really got me interested. There's a lot here that I want to see really. It's going to take some weeks for me to go through all this, but I am going to see a lot of things for free, that's for sure. I'm really interested in these type of documentaries, and I also saw some other interesting movies that I have not seen yet. So here you can see when you click on one of the items, you can see more details. Here you can also click on one of the categories. So now I'll go to Marvel, and then I can select one of the Marvel movies to watch. So I have not seen Black Panther yet, so that's what I'm going to put on my short list of my to-do list for this week. And below you can see related, you can find extras. So extra videos such as deleted scenes are available in this service. Also, there's a search bar. Let's try it out. So if I search for Poppins to find the new Mary Poppins movie, there it is. Mary Poppins Return. So that's the one I also want to watch sometime. So that I'll put that on my watch list by just pressing the plus button. And then it's checked, ready to be watched. So when I look at the watch list now, you will see Mary Poppins. So this next one is Originals, the Disney Originals. So these are not available, even though of course its own movies are its own originals also, but it's about the new stuff. Here are all the movies, the Disney movies, and I can sort it in different ways or select categories. I will sort all movies from A to Z to see what they got. And yeah, you can see there's a lot of content there, older content also, so interesting to see some of the classics, some of the oldies. Yeah, it's all available right here, and if I keep going down, the list just keeps loading new items. So there's a lot to see here. And then also same for the series. The Disney series has a number of interesting items, and of course depends on what you want to see. There are cartoons here, there are other series here, like this National Geographic series about the Mayans. So yes, it looks good. It's a basic interface, but smooth enough. It works well, similar to Netflix as interface. That's about it. So this is my Disney Plus for the next month, which I will enjoy myself, see how it works, and check out the content. And yes, I'm very happy with this. Thank you, Disney, for giving our country the possibility to test and use it for free. Okay, that's it for now. I thought I'd share this with you. See you next time in another video.